from the Cryptkeeper. Greetings, little friends. There's something about the insect world that really bugs me. It's enough to make your skin crawl. Personally, I hate picnics. They turn me into a real basket case. Those ants tickle. Or maybe I'm just itching to tell you today's spine-tingling tale. It's about two boys on a family picnic who engage in some seemingly harmless antics, never anticipating where it might lead.
Oh, those boys!
Like always, dessert before the main course. Hey, where's Becky?
Off with their brothers learning about nature.
You know, I think that insect book we gave them has opened up a whole new world for Rick and Teddy.
Becky, give me my book. That's not the way to play Ant Wars.
Hey, Rick, where's the bait? Becky, no!
That's not baby bait. It's for the ants.
Good. Go see Mom. Red Leader advancing at 12 o'clock. Prepare to engage. Repeat, prepare to engage.
We are preparing ordnance. Confidence is high. Repeat, confidence is high. They've entered the minefield.
Priority 1. Red Leader is escaping. Execute rear assault.
Roger. Look at him scramble.
Ah, nuts. Rick. Rick.
Uh-oh. How'd you get here?
Same as you.
How do I get here?
Beats me.
Ah!
Ah, what? Hey, Rick, giant ant, fangs and eyes, and it almost gobbled me up.
Shh.
What are they doing?
I think they're talking.
Ants don't talk.
Come on, let's get out of sight.
Where can they be taking us, Rick? Rick, how can you be reading at a time like this?
It's the insect book Dad gave us. So maybe learning something about ants will give us some idea of what they're gonna do with us.
Whoa, look at the fangs on that guy.
They're not fangs, Teddy. They're called mandibles. And all worker ants are she's, not he's.
He's, she's, who cares?
Except that drone. He's definitely a male.
Rick, look.
drone is on our side.
Yeah, well, maybe he wants to save us from himself.
Wow, ants are pretty awesome, Teddy. Did you know...
Why'd they drop us here?
This must be an ant version of a refrigerator. All right, popcorn. Here, pick out, little bro.
Yeah. If they want me stuffed, then they can stuff me themselves.
Listen, if they wanted us for lunch, they would have eaten us already.
Okay, then we're dinner.
How about us figuring a way to get out of here, Ted? Wait a second. It's not alive.
Yes, it is! And it's going back out of here!
Come on, Teddy. Now's our chance. Grab on!
Rick, I can't see!
Teddy?
Rick, this isn't Kansas!
Look! It's the Queen Ant! Awesome! It looks like a feast.
Yeah, it's gonna be a feast, Rick. A feast fit for a queen.
I don't think so, Teddy.
Look in the book. Queens are vegetarians, right, Rick? Right? Rick? Rick!
Try not to move.
Rick! I'm gonna jump! Huh? Rick, why is she looking at us like that? Yeah! I've been sauced. So that's it? They bring us all the way here for a paint job?
I think there's more to it, Teddy. So that's it.
What's it?
The carrot cake. You're going after the carrot cake, and you want us to go along.
But that's miles away. Wish I brought my bike.
Hey, Teddy, look.
What?
He's got wings.
Radical, so he can fly?
Not yet, but he's gonna be a king.
There are no ant kings. Even I know that.
Yeah, exactly. But every so often, a male ant sprouts wings and flies off with a queen ant to start a whole new ant colony. Like a giant family.
Let me see that.
You know, I'm really starting to like this. Being an ant is kind of cool.
Evasive action! We're trapped.
I don't think so. Dog slobber at 12 o'clock! That was close.
Dog drool. What a way to go. Huh?
It's okay. I'm fine.
Me too.
Whoa! Check it out.
Wow. Okay. Wow, I had this crazy dream we were ants, and there was this... Man, it's tough being an ant. Spiders walking, roaches walking, dog drool, and more walking.
Hey, Teddy, look! Almost there!
It's the Becky Bees!
Brace yourself! Sniper touching down! Ow!
Run for it!
I'm okay, Rick.
She's playing Ant Wars.
Yeah, and you taught her pretty good.
Me? You're the one who taught her.
Rick, come on! The drone's caught under that stick.
You gotta get it off before she opens up with a squirt gun. You gotta move it more.
Too late!
Grab on.
Come on, you can make it!
A little more.
There! Over there! Phew. We'll be lucky if any of us make it through this alive.
You thinking what I'm thinking?
Yeah, that's what this is about, isn't it?
All they wanted was for us to feel what it was like. I mean, to be on the receiving end. Not much fun on this side, is it?
If we ever get out of this, Rick, I promise I'll never...
Teddy! Teddy! Teddy?
I'm okay. Again.
Then let's run for it!
Uh-oh. The minefield!
Charge! Teddy! Teddy!
Here, Rick!
Where are the others? The drone?
They're safe. Oh, I never thought we'd make it.
You had to say that.
Oh, no! She's got the magnifying glass!
She doesn't know how to use it.
She doesn't have to. She's gonna finish us off with her bare hands! I love you, Rick. Bye.
Keep her busy. Tell her a story. Sorry, sis.
Ow! You did it! Thanks, guys. Or girls and guy. Tell them, Rick, about our promise. I think they kind of understand you.
What Teddy means is, well, we understand what we've been putting you through.
Do we ever?
We don't exactly know how we got here, but if we ever get back, well...
From now on, we're on your side. Okay, so Kate's waiting. Let's celebrate!
Oh, no!
All this way and not even a nibble.
Look!
time.
Try, Teddy. Try! Thanks again.
We did it!
Where on earth have you boys been? Just look at you!
Studying nature.
Uh-huh. Well, while you were busy not watching your sister, she stuck herself with a thistle.
Sorry, Mom.
Burgers, coming right up.
No thanks, Dad. This'll do.
What the?
Now, where are you going?
Come and get it.
Look at him go!
Look! It finally happened. It's gonna be a nice colony.
Yeah.
So you love me, huh?
Quite a lesson for our anti-heroes, hmm? I'm so happy Rick and Teddy discovered that the insect world is a marvelous place. Oh, look! 2 bugs about to be joined in matrimony. From the moment he first spied her, he wanted to make that girl his happily wedded wife. Uh-oh, there's a fly in the ointment. Marrying a black widow could make things a bit sticky.